Wait, don't do this if you have enough money. You don't want any money again. Don't do this. However, this is a spiritual gift for everyone, either male, female, young, old. Anyone can do this. But the caveat is that you should not do this if you have enough money, because this is a blessing recipe that attracts favor, money, and abundance. Hi, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Lukman. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a simple recipe that you can do. It's actually a gift from me to you. This one works very well. It works instantly. It has an amazing result. So I want to be sharing with all my subscribers and those who will be coming in contact with this video. I don't want something that a particular set of people can do and another cannot do. This one, everyone can do it, irrespective of your gender, your status, your color. You can do it. Anyone can do it, and it's something that is very, very effective. So I will be discussing with you how to prepare this blessing recipe, and I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do it. All the ingredients that you need to do it, I'm going to be showing you. And these ingredients are things that are not difficult to get. So, what are the ingredients? Number one, you are going to be needing sugar. Keep sugar. Keep sugar. Number two, we are going to be needing camphor, block camphor. In my language, we call it kafra pelebe. Then number three, we are going to be needing lost packet soap or white soap, any white soap that is packet. We are going to be needing that. And lastly, we are going to be needing sea water. And in my language, we call this omiokun, sea water. Those are the main ingredients we are going to be needing. How do we prepare this? The first thing that you need to do in preparing this is to get a mortar. A mortar. It can be the big mortar, it can be hand-head mortar, or it can be the just mini mortar, like the one I will be using to demonstrate to you. The hand-head, but the mini mortar, I'll be using that to demonstrate to you. Once you get that, then you have to go ahead to get it done. Number one, you have to you shred your soap, the tablet soap, you cut it into pieces. You cut it into pieces so that it will be easy to pound, because you are going to pound it. You first shred the soap into pieces. You shred it to pieces. That means you cut it into smaller bits. Cut it into smaller bits. And you are going to be needing three pack of this soap. 3 packs. The loss of the smoke is the small side. You are going to be needing 3, and you are going to be cutting it first. Then you get your sugar, the cube sugar, and in this sense, the cube sugar, it can be the most commonest one we have around is the St. Louis, but you can get other one, like in my place we have Dangote, but make sure it is cube sugar, as in the one you see that I'm holding, cube sugar. You pour everything, open the pack, pour everything into the mortar. Pour everything into the mortar. Then begin to pound it. You pound it, turn it into powder form. After then, you have to add the camphor, the block camphor. You add the block camphor. Also pound it together. You pound it together. Make sure they are well pounded and mixed together. Then the soap, your soap that you've shredded or that you've cut into pieces, you now pour everything into the mortar and also pound it together. Also pound this together. Make sure you pound it so that they will be mixed very well. Pound it very well so that it will be mixed. Then the seawater, you now add the seawater into the mixture that you've pounded. That means you add it into the mortar where you have all the other ingredients. Then you pound everything together. Make sure they are mixed. Then they become a paste, a form of paste. Then you get your white plastic or white container. It can be plastic, it can be metal. Make sure it is white. Then pack everything into it. Pack it into it like I'll be showing you. Pack it into it. Pack everything. And once you pack everything, then you are finished the processing. Now, how do you use this? You'll be using this to take your bath in the morning. And if you want to use this, it is best to get a nail sponge. And this sponge must be white. It's either white or you get the local sponge. But the best to get white. White sponge is what you'll be using to take your bath. And you'll be doing this, you'll be using this to take your bath every morning. But I have to tell you that if you want to use it to bath, you have to take enough, just take enough and put into your sponge, because this soap does not foam so much, because of the other ingredients we've added. So you scoop enough and put into your sponge and use it to bathe. You have to bathe from head to down. Use it to bathe from head to down to your feet. And once you from your head and you get to your feet, don't use the same sponge to go back from your feet up. No, you have to bathe it from up down. And you do this every day. And make sure before you do this that you are already spiritually clean. You know what I mean? Spiritually clean in that you are not just finishing your menses, or you are not just having sex with your partner, or you are not into any form of negativity. So I would suggest that you start with doing the salt cleansing bath. I would suggest that you do that first before starting this. And this, you are using it to bath. Make sure you use it the first 7 days straight. Don't cut it. Don't break it. Make sure if you start from Monday, you finish by Sunday. Make sure you don't break it. 7 days straight. You are using to bath 7 days straight. And now, if I tell this, the camphor that we want to get, the block camphor we are going to get is 3 pack. I've shown you the block camphor, but we are going to be needing 3. And everything is what we are going to be pounding together. Then the sugar is just 1 pack. Then the lost tablet or the white tablet soap, we are going to be needing 3 pieces. 3 pieces. So you have to do this so that the thing, you can enjoy it very well. But one good thing about this blessing recipe is that you can share it with your spouse, you can share it with your children, then you can share it with your friends, you can give it to people to use. But one thing is that you don't put it on the floor. Once you do it, you can keep it in your wardrobe. You can keep it somewhere safe. Don't put it on the floor. You don't put it on the floor. It's as simple as this. But I bet you, if you can do this within 7 days, you should be thanking God. You'll be thanking God that you come in contact with this recipe. This is a gift. It's a gift. I'm just giving it to you. It's a secret, and that will make a lot of money from this. It's something that will sell and make money from, but I'm giving it to you because you're a valued subscriber. I'm giving it to you as a gift. I don't want people to complain, no money, no this. But except that you have enough. If you have enough money, then you don't need to do this. This one will open door for you. If you are selling, it will bring customers to you. You make a lot of money. If you are doing business online, offline, you see business. If you're a contractor, money will come to you. If you do 9 to 5 work job, money will come to you. Even if you are hustler, you just hustle, you do this and that, money will come. And even if you don't do anything, people will come and bless you. They will be blessing you. Money will be coming. You won't even understand how the money is coming. It's something I do. It has been secret, but it's a gift I'm giving you. Please don't joke with this because I'm giving it to you for free. If I want to do this for somebody, I know how much I charge for this. I'm giving it to you. Don't say because I'm giving it to you, you can do whatever you like with it. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscription is free. Just go down. You see the subscribe button, click on it, and you see the bell. Click on the bell so that when next I do video, you'll be notified. If you love this spiritual recipe, then definitely you will love this. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.